Did you hear that sound? This is the good eye. Cool. Hey guys, today I'm checking the history. This computer has already been history. It's a Dell XPS. This XPS it's a 2005. 2005. It's a very old computer, but it's a very good. This has been already maybe 16 17 years ago, and it's a Windows SP. And I'm gonna change. I have two computers, and one has this keyboard, the water gone inside, gone inside, so messed up. So I'm gonna change, and I'm gonna make this work either one. Maybe both not gonna work. I'm not gonna fix both, but if it works one, I'll be very happy. Even though it doesn't work, I have a lot of computer. I have another one. This one, this is a brand new Dell. It's a gaming computer. There's an IBM computer. This one is a IBM. I love the computers though from beginning. So I have a lot of computers, but actually I love the Mac computers. I have my personal uses iMac desktop, and also I have a laptop Mac. But still, before the Apple, I used to use these things, and this is a brand new I have. It's a gaming computer, Dell. Whichever I need, I can use. So today suddenly I have decided to look up my old computers, and I was thinking to fix because I love the sound when it's that ding ding. That sound, I like this. So I'm gonna fix it. Okay, guys. Okay, now time to check our battery. Let me put the battery in. Oh, that's different. I was putting the different chargers, that's why it didn't work. This is the one. Ta-da, ta-da, ta-da! Let's see. My hard work shows the result or no. Oops. Good. Maybe. Windows XP. This is the history computer, guys. I don't want to throw this. Open. Come on. Open. Alright. I'm going to do the cancel. See the sound? I love this sound. Now, tung. Oh. I fix it. Hold on now. Let's play some my DJ stuff. Sometimes I play DJ in this. Oh, yes. The virtual open. Has it been recording? Good job. Yes, I'm recording. Let's do one song. Now let's turn off. Did you hear the sound? Did you hear the sound, guys? Good. Now I gotta do all the screw things. This over here, screw everywhere. Let's see again. Hey guys, you're watching right now TNT channel, technology and tricks. So this is the old computer I had. I fixed everything. I show you in everything. And this is the old one I found on the street. This one was not working. I found the same computer, so I put the everything whatever I needed. I put it here, and because I don't want to throw this computer, because I have a long history with this. I have a good memories with this, and it's still working. This is a Windows XP. So I bought this thing in 2005, 2004 actually, 2004 or 5. So I have a very good memory. I don't want to throw these things even though it's old. So good thing I fixed this. It's working, and now I'm showing the final glimpse of this, how I did it. Okay, just listen the sound. You're gonna love these things. Let's see. You're gonna love this sound, because this sounds Windows XP sound. You're gonna love. Maybe you guys are missing it. A lot of guys already missed already. And hear the sound. Dun, dun. Coming up, window. I know it's slow, but it's okay. Microsoft Windows XP. Maybe 2007, I guess. Oh, no, maybe Windows XP 2000, I guess. I believe, yeah. Hear the sound. Huh? There it is. Did you hear that sound? This is the good eye. Cool. Okay. Bang. Okay, I would like to show play something like let's see. I don't have that much software, but I have a DJ software. I'm gonna play one song, and then I will wrap this up video for today. So I have virtual DJ. Sometimes I take this computer for my DJ backup. Sometimes I need backup. So there we go. Thank you. Now hear the last sound. I'm gonna shut this off, and you can hear the turn up sound. With this beautiful sound, I said bye bye.